Breaking news update that Shraddha Kapoor maintains that she attended a party but she did not consume drugs, and she has also said that she could identify six odd people. Yeah, she says she can also identify six odd people, so even stars are starting to take names. She says she could identify 6 people who attended the party, the drug party.
That is exactly what Rakul did yesterday.
Yeah, and she admits that it was her chat with Jaya Saha, which means she has admitted to the mention of drugs in the chat with Kwan, but remains quiet on consumption of drugs. Barnali.
Yes, the problem is, it's very sad to see this young generation getting into drugs, knowing very well, they're aware of the fact that it is not something that it is legal, yet they are going into it and they're getting into it. The youth of our country, not only the youth, I mean, everybody follows them as icons. So they have a bigger responsibility. And look at the younger generations, when you idolize them, you also start, aping them, and you also start getting into them. Look at a young generation today. It's so sad. I mean, so many of them are into drugs and into any kind of, intoxication. It's really sad to see that, and knowing very well that this is not allowed. And especially drugs, I mean, whatever percentage it is not allowed. So, and everybody, they take it very casually. I think the Bollywood industry, they take it very casually. They feel that, okay, the consumption of drugs will never lead them into trouble because they can cover it up very easily. Even if they are caught, they can pay money and they can just get away with it. Yep. But now, you see, Sushant Singh murder mystery and his death under mysterious circumstances has led to so many revelations. Nobody could have even imagined in the wildest of their dreams that something of this sort would come out of the investigation. Yeah. Just imagine. They probably were under the impression that they will never get caught and it is okay to do something like this. They were all under the impression that it is okay, we will get out of it. Now they know very well, and it will be a deterrent and it will be a punishing factor for everybody. Now it will instill a kind of fear in the mind of the youth right now that, okay, fine, if these people can get into trouble, so can we. So this will act as a deterrent, and definitely there has to be punishment for this, so that this menace in the society is stopped. It is a crime against society. This has to stop, because the money that you're getting by selling drugs, by procuring drugs and selling drugs, this is used for all kind of nefarious activities. This is all black money, which is used for terrorism, for human trafficking, and all kind of nefarious activities. All illegal activities.
Yeah, I think so Amita had a point to make. Amita.
Because there is one thing, actually, Niranjan and Barnali and Jaspinder Sri, where a pattern that can be seen, because yes, they are having their legal advices being taken before they appear in front of the NCB officials, but something that actually points out the contradiction in what the updates are coming in from Shraddha's point of view, Niranjan, because what is being said that she herself has denied consuming drugs. Yes. She says she can identify 6 odd people who attended a particular party, and also admits that she did a chat with Jaya Saha but remains mum when she was asked for that CBD oil. CBD oil is something that it was a manager, Jinal, has said that she had obtained for Shraddha Kapoor. So this is when the manager Karishma of Deepika was being confronted and talked about on the drug chats, where it is being said that Deepika has admitted to certain drug chats, and although her answers remain unsatisfactory, on the same side there is the manager of Shraddha Kapoor when it comes to obtaining certain CBD oil, and that is something that now it is being contradictory to what Shraddha Kapoor is now maintaining in what source-based information that we are playing out, that she does not quite give satisfactory answers on to where and from whom did she obtain that contraband substances. So this is something, and even in yesterday's Rakul Preet's investigation that lasted for nearly 4 hours, herself came out and said that she never consumed drugs but is ready to give out more names, as she knew that there were other celebrities who could be involved in this entire drug nexus. So we're looking at a pattern, Niranjan, how you have these A-listers in front of the NCB officials are prepared of what to answer in front of them.
Yeah.